To further facilitate cross-border travel, China's visa authorities abroad resumed issuance of all categories of visas to foreigners starting on Wednesday. This is a decision welcomed by many tourism industry professionals. Metti, senior advisor of a travel agency based in Finland, said he is looking forward to restarting tours to China, a popular destination for Finnish tourists.
The Olympia is really waiting to restart the China tours. Olympia air travel started to send people to China already 1974. We have been sending a lot of Finnish tourists and also Swedish tourists over the years. And people have been very happy as the China's tours, and we really hope that we can start our China tours again. There's a lot of people that want to visit China